Okay, now I will explain to you how to key in the data. So at first, you must go to variable view, and then you go to column number 1, state the name of the first variable. So let's say, for example, the first variable is gender. Then click enter. So once you click enter, all the other values will be filled by the default values. In column number 2 type, you may change the type of the variable by clicking at the 3 dots. So let's say for this example, so you can choose the respective variable type. Let's say, for example, for this variable is gender, but since I'm using number to represent the category of the qualitative variable, so I choose numeric and then click OK. Okay, and then for column number 3 width, so no need to change for this one. Column number 3 refer to decimal, so because gender, so I'm using 1 male, 2 female, so no decimal places. I change this one to 0. And then for label, so you can describe the names in the column number 1. So let's say, for example, I key in this one as staff gender. Okay, and then in the values, set the value for qualitative variable. So if you use number to represent the category of the qualitative variable. Okay, for example, here there are 2 groups, male and female group. So I define the first category of the qualitative variable. Okay, for example, 1 refer to male, and then click add, and then define the second category 2 refer to female, and then click add. Okay, proceed to define all the other interested variable. So for gender there are 2 categories, so then click OK. And then missing, okay, no need to change anything on this one. Same also for column and align. Okay, for measure, because gender is referred to qualitative variable, so the scale must be nominal scale. And therefore last column, column row, no need to change anything. Okay, that one refer to first variable. So now we key in second variable. So second variable is referred to number of children. So you can write number. So remember, in this column, column number 1, you cannot put space. So you can use underscore number children. Okay, this one refer to quantitative data. So the variable type is numeric, and then width remain. For decimal, you can change to 0 because we don't have decimal places for this variable. And for label, you can label this one as number of children. Okay, so this one is a quantitative data, so no need to key in the values column. Same also for missing, column, align. But for measure, since it's referred to quantitative data, so the measure must be scale. Okay, next, the third variable refer to position. Okay, click enter. Decimal, no decimal. So this one, I label this one as position in a company. And then for this one, same also, you can define all the interested variable. Number 1 refer to manager. Click add. Number 2 refer to supervisor, and number 3 refer to team leader. Click add, and then you click OK. And then remember, for measure, since this variable is referred to qualitative variable, so the measure must be nominal scale. And the fourth variable, so it's referred to allowance. Okay, so no decimal places for this one. So for label, total allowance receive a month. Okay, quantitative data, so no need to change in the values column. And then you can go to measure column because this variable is quantitative data, so you choose scale. Okay, so done for variable. So there are 4 variables in this data set: gender, number of children, position, allowance. Now you can key in the raw data. So you can go here. Now you can see there are 4 columns here: gender, number of children, position, allowance. Okay, so you can key in the data. Let's say, for example, first respondent, male. You can write number 1, okay, because 1 is referred to male, 2 is referred to female. Number of children, let's say 2. Position, okay, position, manager. You can choose manager or you can type 1. And then allowance, so allowance is equal to 300. Okay, second respondent, also male, number of children, 2, and then position, 1, and then allowance, 500. Okay, and then the third respondent, okay, gender, number 2, refer to female, and then number of children, 0, position, number 2, supervisor, and allowance, 700. Okay, next one, number 2, female, number of children, 4, and this one, position 3, allowance, 400. And then you just continue for the rest, and then you can see lah. So let's say, for example, if the respondent, you have 350 respondent, so here you must have 350 respondent. So that's all how to set up your data in SPSS software.